Ever wondered how our body gets its nutrients and disposes of harmful waste? It's all thanks to the circulatory system. This intricate network, powered by the heart, is our personal delivery service. The heart, a tireless muscle, pumps blood throughout the body via arteries and veins. This blood carries the precious cargo of oxygen and nutrients, the essential fuel for our cells. But the circulatory system is not just a one-way street. It also takes away the waste products that our cells don't need, making sure our body stays clean and healthy. This constant circulation of blood helps maintain a safe body temperature too. It's like a central heating system, but for your body. So maintaining a healthy circulatory system is crucial. After all, every cell in your body depends on it. So remember, a healthy heart is key to a healthy body. So, you've had your meal, but what happens next? Enter the digestive system. This intricate network starts its magic right from your mouth, where enzymes in your saliva begin breaking down food. From there, it's a journey down the esophagus and into the stomach, where powerful acids continue the process. The real magic, however, happens in the small intestine. This is where nutrients from the food you eat are absorbed into the bloodstream. The large intestine then takes over, absorbing water and turning the remaining indigestible food matter into waste to be excreted. Now let's not forget the liver and pancreas. They play crucial roles too, producing enzymes to break down fats and proteins and regulating blood sugar levels. A balanced diet is key to keep this system running smoothly, ensuring you get all the nutrients you need while minimizing waste. Next time you're enjoying your favorite meal, give a nod to your hardworking digestive system. What keeps all our body functions in check? The endocrine system does. This intricate network of glands produces hormones, the body's chemical messengers, that regulate everything from growth and metabolism to mood and reproduction. First, let's talk about the pituitary gland, often dubbed the master gland. It releases hormones that influence growth, blood pressure, and even childbirth. Then there's the thyroid gland, which controls our metabolism and heart rate with the help of hormones like thyroxine. The adrenal glands, perched atop our kidneys, pump out cortisol and adrenaline, regulating our stress response and keeping our bodies primed for action. And let's not forget the pancreas, the star player in blood sugar regulation, releasing insulin and glucagon as needed. These are just a few examples of how the endocrine system helps maintain homeostasis, keeping our internal environment stable and balanced. From growth to mood swings, you know who to thank: the endocrine system. Ever considered why we have skin, hair, and nails? They're all part of the integumentary system. The integumentary system is one of the most fascinating systems in our body. It's our body's first line of defense against the outside world and a key player in maintaining our overall health. Our skin, the largest organ of the integumentary system, acts as a protective barrier, shielding us from harmful substances and microorganisms. It also helps regulate our body temperature by sweating when we're hot and constricting blood vessels when we're cold. Meanwhile, our hair and nails are not just for aesthetics, they play essential roles too. Hair provides insulation and sun protection, while nails protect our delicate fingertips and enhance our sense of touch. The integumentary system also houses nerve receptors that allow us to feel pain, pressure, and temperature, making it an integral part of our sensory perception. So, taking care of your skin isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. What's our body's defense mechanism against harmful invaders? You got it, it's the immune system. This complex network of cells, tissues, and organs is our personal army, always on guard, ready to protect us from pathogens like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Imagine these pathogens as invaders trying to breach our fortress. The immune system, our brave warriors, spring into action. They identify these foreign agents, mark them for destruction, and then eliminate them, keeping us safe and sound. But how does the immune system know where the fight is? That's where the lymphatic system comes into play. It's like our body's highway system, with lymphatic vessels carrying a clear fluid called lymph. This fluid transports the immune cells to the sites of infection or injury. In this way, our immune system maintains surveillance over our body, ensuring our health and well-being. So, let's give a round of applause to our immune system, working tirelessly, day and night. Remember, a strong immune system keeps you fighting fit. What enables us to move, lift, and flex? It's the muscular system. This intricate network of tissues does more than just contribute to our physical strength. It essentially enables us to perform every action that requires movement. From the subtle lift of an eyebrow to the powerful kick of a football player, it's all thanks to the muscular system. But muscles aren't just about movement. They also play a crucial role in maintaining our body's posture and generating heat to keep us warm. Every time you shiver in the cold, it's your muscles generating heat to maintain your body temperature. And just like any other system in our body, the muscular system thrives on care and maintenance. Regular exercise, for instance, is a fantastic way to keep our muscles healthy and strong. Not only does it improve muscle strength and endurance, but it also enhances flexibility and overall body coordination. So when you're pumping iron at the gym, you're giving your muscular system a well-deserved workout. What makes you react to stimuli around you? It's the work of the nervous system. The nervous system is our body's information highway, collecting and processing data from both outside and inside the body. It's like a grand conductor, orchestrating the symphony of our bodily functions. This intricate system consists of two major parts: the central nervous system, which includes the brain and spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, encompassing all the nerves branching out from the central nervous system to the rest of the body. The nervous system is constantly at work, whether you're awake or asleep. It processes sensory information, controls our physical actions, and even manages our thoughts and memories. It's the reason we can feel the warmth of a cup of coffee, remember a loved one's face, or jump back when we touch something hot. So when you touch something hot and pull away, thank your nervous system for the quick reflex. How does our body filter out toxins? It's all thanks to the urinary system. Now, let's dive into this incredibly efficient waste management system. The urinary system, also known as the renal system, is a champion of cleanliness. Its star players, the kidneys, are biological powerhouses that work around the clock, filtering around 180 liters of blood each day. These bean-shaped organs sift out waste and excess substances from the bloodstream, transforming them into urine. It's a complex process involving millions of tiny filtering units called nephrons. These nephrons filter out the bad but keep the good, like essential nutrients and electrolytes. Once the urine is formed, it travels down the ureters and is stored in the bladder, waiting to be excreted through the urethra. So when you're taking that bathroom break, remember, it's your urinary system keeping you clean and healthy. It's a testament to the body's remarkable ability to maintain a balanced internal environment. What ensures the continuation of human life? It's the work of the reproductive system. This intricate system is responsible for producing offspring, ensuring the survival of our species. In males, this system comprises the testes, which produce sperm, and the penis, which delivers this sperm to the female. The prostate and seminal vesicles produce fluid that combines with sperm to create semen. On the other hand, the female reproductive system includes the ovaries, which produce eggs, and the uterus, a nurturing environment where a fertilized egg can grow into a baby. The vagina serves as a canal for the delivery of the baby and for receiving sperm. These organs work in a beautifully synchronized way. The male reproductive system delivers sperm to fertilize the female's egg, initiating the miraculous process of human development. After 9 months of growth in the uterus, a new human life is born. So, the miracle of life? All thanks to the marvelous reproductive system. What keeps us breathing and alive? The respiratory system. This intricate network of organs and tissues performs a life-sustaining dance every second of every day. It begins with a simple inhale, drawing air through the nose and mouth, down the windpipe, and into the bronchi. These bronchi, like branches of a tree, spread out into the lungs, further dividing into smaller tubes called bronchioles. At the end of these bronchioles, we find millions of tiny air sacs known as alveoli. It's here where the magic really happens. Oxygen from the air we breathe diffuses across these tiny sacs and enters the bloodstream, ready to be transported to every cell in our bodies. Simultaneously, the waste product carbon dioxide makes the reverse journey, moving from the blood into the alveoli, ready to be exhaled out of our bodies. So, every breath you take, every move you make, you're using your respiratory system.